Hello viewers, this is lecture second on the COMSOL Multiphysics. In this video, I am mainly focused on the construction of the two-dimensional geometries. In the most of the problem, you have to construct the different type of complex geometries. So in the COMSOL, you can easily draw all the geometries like in the AutoCAD. So I'll quickly start with the COMSOL framework. When you click on the COMSOL, you can start with this. Either you can go for the inbuilt model wizard or you can make as a blank model. I suggest to start with the inbuilt model wizard. Just click on this. I am focused on the two-dimensional portion. You can click on this, and there is a several options you can try when you are doing in your respective field. But I will start with the for easy one. I can choose heat transfer in fluid. I can add this. So this is the physical interface I have added. You can add any other interfaces which you wish to use, like you are using thermal, you can using electric fields also, magnetic field, electric conducting fluid. There are several options are there, but I wish to start with a simple example, so I choose this only one. I can click on this study, and you can choose any type of analysis. Like I'll start with the stationary analysis. I click on this, and I can save this as a new name like sample MEH. Okay, this is the initial the necessary thing which always COMSOL will ask for you. So you can see that here the model builder will tell you that what is this. In this option, when you click on this, there is first is global definition, like you can choose the material on which you are going to work. Second is the component, because this now size is two-dimensional, so everything is now is a two-dimensional framework. So next is the definition. You can use the boundary conditions in view whatever you use. So my main focus is on the geometry. So I'll quickly start with this geometry in this video. So construction of the geometry is not very difficult in this COMSOL, though you can import the geometries from the AutoCAD. Like if I press right click, there is the first option is the import. When you click on this, there are new option like import one is open. So what is the options for your import? You can import the file from the mesh. Even the COMSOL already, if you already work on some file, you can directly import it. There is a CAR option, DXF options are there. So this is the very small options you can even use. So problem my interest, if you don't want it, there's two options. Either you use disable, use the delete command. So I'm going to delete it. Click yes. Yeah, this is now been deleted. So what I'm going to construct, I construct the different shapes and make a final geometry for your model. So I have to click on right click again. If I wish to choose the circle, you can click it. Circle is solid type, radius is 1 meter, so this unit should be in the meter. It's hardly matters if your default is not in meters. You can even use 100 centimeter option, because both are the same now. You can use the 50 centimeter circle. Just click on this and write the units in the SI. You can place it. Another option is that where you have to place the center maybe, and that's it. I'll click on this build. So this type of circle is now constructed in this. When you click on this, you can see that this is actually the box and circle is constructed, and this is your center is at 0 0. It means that you are at 0 0 center. When you change this as the corner, since when you click on this, you can see that this is circle in this box, and this corner is now shifted to 0 0 if I click on this. So this is the option. If you wish to move it back on the center, you just click on this. It will automatically reach here, and you can see that this corner point is now at 0 0. Like this tip is now here. You can easily check it. So this is the option is you can use. What I am going to do is I wish to construct two different geometries and wish to merge it. Like I can take the sphere. When you click on sphere, you can know that the length and breadth are the same. You can use the same version like 35 centimeter. The option is there. I can use this. Rotation hardly matters. You can change the tilted, so I can make as 20 degree and construct this build an object. So this portion is now been constructed. So what I am going to this, you can move this, and when you click on this, you can move this object according to this, but I wish to do the same. So you have the two different objects and two different option is now been constructed. So what I am going to this, I wish to merge both this. If you wish to combine both this, what do you have to use? Click on the geometry, there is a option Boolean partition theory, you wish to use the union. When you click on this, there another option union is now been open. So when you click on this is off now. If you wish to make the union of this, so what do you wish to do? You click on this, both are now added here. Just double click on this. If you click one, it's off. When you click 10, it's on. So this is like add on drop just by clicking. So this is the interesting thing. When you click on this, you can see that this figure is now only the one figure. Just click on this, it's not this. Now it is actually A union B command is already been used, just like by partition theory. But what is extra? I wish to exclude these things. This is the lines in the interior of this. So I have to check this first and then build it again. So this is the interesting thing. So this is the new figure which I have now constructed. I can apply. There is a several boundaries is now been constructed. So this is the one way I am going to this. This is actually the merging. You can merge the several circles, several domains. Even you can construct the polygon, any shape, anything. Now another thing I am going to explain you that you can even make the holes in this domain, because I will start with any type of, you can say that small ellipse. If I ellipse the segments, we know that I can use 20 centimeter as a A, or for B I can use 10 centimeter. That's it. I will click on this. So there is third option is now, this is here. If you wish to change the center I can make here in between, I can use 0.5 and 0.5 and build it. It moves to at the center. Now wish to make a hole of this size. So what is this? Now there is two figures again. This is actually a assembled figure and this is your, I wish to remove this. So you have to go again to this, right click, again partition, there is an option of difference. You can click on this. Yeah, this option difference is now being increased. There is two options that what the bigger one you have to keep here, which you wish to subtract you have to write here. So firstly you have to select this one. Yeah, union 1 is actually been selected. When you click on this, this is now automatically been closed. Now you have to check on this here. If you wish to remove this, that's okay. Build it again. Yeah. Now this type of your figure is now constructed. So parallelly you can construct the several things, and this is a very powerful tool to construct any type of figure, and it is very easy to construct. Now more problem is that if you wish to export this, like if you wish to use it in your research paper, like this is your model domain, it can be of any type, any shape. So what is this? There is an option is that image snapshot. When I click on this, there is option that either manual web or current. You can use this. This is the pixel size. This is actually the font. If you are using, you can include this. The layout option is that you can click on this file. There is only 6 or 5 options I think is here. Mostly we are using TIFF options, and you can make the name as your model figure. So you can write model dot TIFF. So you can see that. So this type of figure is now has been exported. So this is the easy export import in this, and in the next video I am going to explain you that for the 3D geometries or the implementation of the material, and another option I am going to hit in the next lecture. So till then, have a good day. So please subscribe if you like this video. Have a nice day.